Hello, welcome. I am A.K. Ramachandran from
I'm Neetu
edupack.
Rajashekharan.
I am Professor Dr. K.R. Sabu.
Hi, I'm Anusha
I'm
Agustin.
Eunice Tangam, handling maths.
I am Professor Dr. George.
I am Shafiq and I welcome you all to edupack Digital Learning.
Hello, I'm Neetu Rajashekharan. The most important criteria to decide whether something is alive or not is the movement. All living things move without the help of any external help. Some movements are easily visible, like the movement of body parts. And there are also some other movements that are not easily visible, like the molecular movements. With this introduction, let's start Chapter 6, Life Processes. Life processes are the basic processes in living organisms which are necessary for maintaining life. The basic life processes are nutrition, respiration, transportation, and excretion. Nutrition is the process of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. It helps to build the body, it helps for growth, to repair the damaged body parts, and also it provides energy. Nutrition in animals. Let's see first nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular animal living in water. It takes in food by forming finger-like projection called pseudopodia. Then it forms a food vacuole. Inside the food vacuole, the food is digested and is absorbed.
Good morning, students. I am Professor Dr. K.R. Sabu. I am here to teach you about the first chapter in your textbook, namely chemical reactions and equations. Let us consider the following situations which we face in our daily life and think what happens when milk is left at room temperature during summer. An iron pan or nail is left exposed to humid atmosphere. Little more deep. Take a plastic mug as given in this picture. Drill 2 holes at its base and fit it with the rubber stoppers. Insert carbon electrodes in this rubber stopper as shown here. What I am going to do is the electrolysis of water. Just take a plastic mug, drill 2 holes at its base and fit it with the suitable rubber stoppers. Insert carbon electrodes in these rubber stoppers as shown here. But simply you cannot perform the experiment with the pure water. You have to add a few drops of sulfuric acid or any acid and connect these electrodes to a battery.
Welcome to edupack family. I am Professor Dr. George and in classes on chemistry. Today we are discussing about the chapter on carbon and its compounds. In this chapter, we are discussing about carbon in the elemental and compound form. Most of the materials used by us, for example books, clothes, medicine, wood, etc. are carbon compounds. Besides these, all the living beings are carbon based.
Hello, welcome. I am A.K. Ramachandran from edupack family. Electricity has become a very important part of our life, and it is virtually impossible to separate electricity from our life. Thousands of things that we do in our day-to-day life works on electricity. Now today we are going to learn the topic electricity. Come on, let us learn the basic concepts of electricity. Electricity can be classified as electrostatics and current electricity. Now, what is an electric circuit? A continuous and closed path of an electric current is called an electric circuit. When a continuous conducting path, such as a metallic wire, is connected to the terminals of a cell, we have a simple circuit. Structure of human eye. The human eye is similar to a camera. The lens system of the eye forms an image on the light sensitive screen called retina. The essential parts of the human eye. Cornea. The front transparent part of the eye is called cornea. Persistence of vision. Persistence of vision is a very important term. What is persistence of vision? The image of an object, when we see an object, the image of an object persists or remains on the retina for 1/16 seconds, even after the object is removed. This is called persistence of vision. Let us study the refraction of light through a prism. What is a prism? A prism is a portion of transparent refracting medium bounded by two plane surfaces meeting each other along a straight line. So, a prism is a portion of transparent refracting medium bounded by two plane surfaces and they meet each other along a straight line. The two plane surfaces are called refracting faces. The line along which the two faces meet is called the refracting edge. The angle between the two refracting faces is called the angle of the prism A.
Hello students, I am Shafiq and I welcome you all to edupack Digital Learning. Today we are going to learn about the chapter polynomials. First, let's see how the term polynomial came. Poly in old language, it means many, and nomials, it means terms. So together, many terms. You will be learning about a equation or a set of terms in this chapter. Let's take another example. Find the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 3. Verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. Here x square minus 3 is a quadratic polynomial. And we are splitting that x square minus 3 into x minus root 3 plus x plus root 3. When you multiply, you can check and sure you will get x square minus 3. Value of x square minus 3 is 0 when x equal to minus root 3 and x equal to root 3.